Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make an easy chicken curry in pressure cooker. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder and little salt. Add a little water and prepare the masala paste. Now take 1 kilogram of washed and cleaned chicken pieces in a mixing bowl. Add the masala paste. Now mix well and ensure that all the pieces are coated with the masala. Keep it aside for half an hour. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker over low flame. Now add 2 star anise, 10 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 2-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 tablespoon of Julienned garlic cloves. Saute this for some time and add 4 sliced onions, 3 slit green chilies and a little salt. Stir well and add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. When the onions turn translucent, add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Saute this for some time and add 4 chopped tomatoes. Saute this for 1 minute and add the marinated chicken pieces and 1.5 cups of water. Stir well. Now place the lid and cook this over medium flame. Turn off the flame after 2 whistles. When the pressure comes down, open the cooker. Stir well and add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now it is ready to serve. This will go nice with rice, chapati, dosha, idli or appam. Please try it out and post your feedback.